10 essential life-saving items every driver should keep in their car. Tools that could save your life in a critical moment. And the number one item costs only a few dollars. In dangerous situations, real safety doesn't come from an expensive vehicle. It comes from the emergency tools you have within reach. These simple items can completely transform your car into a safer survival space. Number 10. A powerful flashlight. Your phone flashlight is not enough during emergencies. Your phone battery should be reserved for emergency calls and navigation. A strong, standalone flashlight helps you inspect your car at night, send powerful distress signals in fog or rain, and even temporarily disorient a criminal, giving you valuable seconds to escape. Number 9. An emergency whistle. If you're trapped after an accident, screaming for help may not work. Highway noise and storms can drown out your voice quickly. A high-frequency emergency whistle can produce a piercing sound that travels hundreds of meters, making it much easier for rescuers to find you. Number 8. A reflective safety vest. Secondary accidents are one of the greatest dangers on highways. Stepping out of your car at night in dark clothing can make you nearly invisible to other drivers. A reflective vest allows headlights to spot you from far away and dramatically increases your safety. Number 7. Duct tape. This simple tool can temporarily fix loose bumpers, cracked windows, leaking hoses, and other minor damage. Think of it as a first aid kit for your car that can help you safely reach a repair shop. Number 6. Cut-resistant gloves. Broken glass, hot engine parts, and sharp metal can easily injure your hands during an emergency. Protective gloves help you work safely and avoid serious cuts or burns. Number 5. An emergency thermal blanket. If you're stranded in freezing weather without heat, this lightweight blanket can help prevent hypothermia by reflecting your body heat back toward you. Number 4. Energy bars and bottled water. High-calorie snacks and clean water are essential during long emergencies. Water can also help cool an overheating radiator or clean wounds if someone is injured. Number 3. A seatbelt cutter. After a serious crash, seatbelts can lock tightly under pressure and become impossible to release. A seatbelt cutter allows you to escape quickly when every second matters. Number 2. A mechanical tyre pressure gauge. Incorrect tyre pressure is one of the leading causes of highway blowouts. Unlike electronic systems, a mechanical gauge works reliably in extreme heat or cold without batteries. And number 1. An automatic window breaker. If your car falls into water or the doors become jammed after a crash, this small, spring-loaded tool can instantly shatter the window and help you escape, even underwater or in tight spaces. These simple tools may look small, but in an emergency, they can make the difference between survival and disaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more life-saving tips, survival gear, and smart driving advice. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.